Hey guys, just got a quick unboxing today. It's the iPhone 11 Pro silicone case. So I normally use the 11 Pro leather case, but with everything going on around the world at the moment, and with the pandemic, it's a bit hard to clean a leather case and sterilize it easily unless you put it in a UVC light. But if you're wiping down with disinfectant wipes or alcohol or anything like that, it's gonna wreck your leather. So I thought I'd get the silicone case and give it a go. But it's a very simple packaging here for this one. So it just says there, iPhone 11 Pro silicone case, and this was bought from the Apple store. So I just crack this open here. There we go. And there you have it. So there's not much to it. You've got the button for the sleep there, volume buttons, nice little cutout for the silent switch, and the camera cutout with the Apple logo roughly around the middle of the phone there. It's got a nice soft microfiber suede-like inside so it doesn't scratch your phone. So we'll see how this goes versus the Apple leather case. Thanks for watching, guys.